Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen Meal Prep Monday. My name is Sahil and today I'm going to be giving you an 1800 calorie meal plan because everybody has different calorie requirements and I've said that before. Now to make this plan suit your calorie needs, all you got to do is eat a little less if you need less calories in a day, or eat a little more if you need more calories in a day. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get on to the meal plan. So we're going to start the day with a hearty breakfast and you're going to be eating my brown butter scrambled eggs along with half a portion of my 90-second keto mug bread, and this meal is going to clock in at about 522 calories with just 2 grams of net carbs, about 48 grams of fat and 20 grams of protein. Alright, on to lunch. You're going to be making and eating my keto chicken salad along with my peanut butter fat bomb. And this meal is going to clock in at 625 calories with 6 grams of net carbs, 54 grams of fat and 29 grams of protein. And the final meal of the day, dinner. You're going to be making and eating my keto pork vindaloo along with half a portion of that 90-second keto mug bread, the half that you didn't eat in the morning, and half a portion of my cream spinach. And this entire meal is going to clock in at about 680 calories with 6 grams of net carbs, about 55 grams of fat and about 39 grams of protein. So that's the meal plan, my friends. Brown butter scrambled eggs and keto mug bread for breakfast, chicken salad and a fat bomb for lunch, vindaloo, some more mug bread and some spinach for dinner. And this entire meal plan clocks in at about 1800 calories with only 14 grams of net carbs, about 157 grams of fat and 88 grams of protein. So those are some pretty good keto ratios: 3% from carbs, 19% protein and 79% fat. Pretty good if you ask me, and that's your 1800 calorie meal plan sorted. And folks, before I let you go, as always, I have a few tips and tricks to share with you. The first thing being the brown butter scrambled eggs. As long as you use the same ingredients, you can make the eggs any way you like. You can make an omelette out of it, you can fry them, no problem. Also, for all the vegetarians getting ready to type, "Can you please give me a vegetarian meal plan?" All I got to say is use the same meal plan. Instead of chicken in the salad, use paneer, and instead of pork in the vindaloo, use paneer as well. And that's pretty much it, my friends. Your meal plan is done and you can sort of work this around any way you like. Anyway, enough jibber jabber from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen and I will see you on the next episode of I don't know what, but I will see you soon. Cheers and keep ketoing. Hey folks, so I have done a total of 8 keto meal plans. Make sure you check them out and you can now mix and match these meal plans and make your keto eating way more fun and way more varied. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this series of keto meal plans and I'll probably be back sooner rather than later.